It's -1 degree Celsius.
There is a desert and a palm tree grove and a subpolar national park right off the coast of Morocco. And all of that mixed with beautiful architecture. Sounds crazy, right? I am Lex Universe, and you are now welcome to join me on the Canary Islands.
Hello Internet, welcome to Lex Universe. So, hello from Spain, from the Canary Islands actually. As you can see, we're standing at the base of the tallest mountain in Spain and also in the Atlantic Ocean, Teide Teide. My original plan was to go up there, but it's closed unfortunately due to weather, so well, no luck there. But we will enjoy this Teide National Park in this video. If you want to see how I got to the Canary Islands, continue watching this video after intro. If not, go to this timestamp of the video and you can enjoy Teide National Park with me here. And well, don't go anywhere because this is basically beautiful. Realizing that catching a flight is like the only reason I am able to tolerate getting out this early in the morning. So, see you at the airport. I've got a feeling sometimes that I spend more time on the airport than in my actual home. You know, I love the airports. It's like the only place where I can drink at 8 in the morning and nobody gives a shit. And you don't have to feel bad. Or should I? Now I've seen that many people really dislike airports, and I kinda get it. It's stressful for almost everyone, but honestly, it's my life. I really love it here. I've spent my entire life in the airport and in the air. Do you remember the days when nobody was allowed to travel? I miss those times. Alright, welcome to Tenerife. Many people call it Tenerife, which probably is the correct English pronunciation, but it's horrible. So let me stick with the Spanish name. I will need to find a bus and let's go to Santa Cruz, which is the capital of the island, because I have landed on the south airport and I'm accommodated in the north. Alright, so right outside the arrivals there is this booth where you will buy your card for €2 and then you will top it up with some money, and here there are these buses that will take you all over the island. In my case it's Santa Cruz. It should come over there. Let's see. So the trip from Tenerife South Airport to Santa Cruz costs some €7, and it takes about, I don't know, 1 hour. Probably not the whole hour, but you know. And that's my bus. 111 or 111. Let's go. Well, the sun has set. I'm at the main bus station. You can see there is this beautiful, I don't know, it's a museum, opera house, I don't know. I will have to Google it later. But anyway, let's enjoy Santa Cruz. I will show you the city a little bit in the next video, because in this one I want to explore Pico del Teide, which is the mountain that we will visit, and that you have seen the first shot from actually in the beginning of the video. So Well, you already know what's coming. I don't. But in this case, I will probably need to find my hotel because I don't want to sleep outside. Well, so it's 6 in the morning. The city is just, well, I wanted to say waking up, but it is still asleep. Not sure how much you can see of it. It appears to be quite hilly, so wait for the next video. We will explore Santa Cruz more in depth and the surrounding. But for now, we leave the city, and like I mentioned before, we are going to the Teide National Park, which is one of the most stunning features here in Tenerife. So I hope you're excited. I am as well, of course. I'll give you more info as we go on. If you want to follow my footsteps, I'm sure it will be great. Okay, so that's our destination. Let me take a short break while we stop this rock formation, and let's talk about weather, because when you think about the Canary Islands, honestly, you picture tropicals, and let me cross the road. You picture tropical areas, and well, it's December, and we are rising to some 4,000 meters in altitude. Right now we are at some 1,500, I would say, and well, it's -1 degree Celsius, so it's gonna get a lot uglier. As I've reached the lower station of the cable car, there are some rumors that it's not operating today, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen now, but let's hope for the best. Right now we are at some 2,300 meters above the sea level. It's fucking cold here. I think I will have to get my jacket soon. But if not here, then for sure over there. So I got my morning coffee. Apparently it's really, actually, it's probably really not working. Can you see it? The bottom of the cable car is gone. So now we have to figure out some plan B. Alright, beautiful people. I'm a little bit disappointed that we couldn't make it to the summit. Sucks, but at least we take a trek here in the lower altitudes, and we will try to get to these rocks, and I believe it will be scenic. So now this starts to be a pattern, you know. This is actually the tallest mountain in Spain, and I don't know if you have seen my videos from Greece. I wanted to climb to Mount Olympus, the tallest mountain in Greece, and I wasn't able to do that for the same reason as here, because of the weather. And well, hopefully that when I choose another mountain that I will want to climb, I will not have the same problem. You know, just put this into perspective. We are somewhere in the heights of the tallest mountains in Slovakia, some 2,500 meters above the sea level. And well, it shows, you know. It's cold here, but imagine what the mountains look like in Europe right now during summer, winter. So yeah, it's -1 degree here, but first it doesn't feel that cold, and second, well, of course, but should it be somewhere more to the north, then I guess it would be a lot colder, and we would see snow. As you can see right now, there is even no snow on the peak. really bothers me that I cannot climb there. Well, next time maybe. By the way, not only is it the tallest mountain of the Canary Islands, it's also, like I said, the tallest mountain of Spain, and also the tallest mountain of the Atlantic Ocean. And from base to summit, while the base is deep underwater, is the third tallest volcano in the world. Which, by the way, totally underrated. Mauna Kea, which is the tallest volcano in the world, is, when measured from the base to summit, also the tallest mountain on the planet with some 11,000 meters. If you want to know more, go watch my video about Mount Everest. You know what fascinates me most? This is so fucking prominent. Imagine, it's some 3,700 meters above the sea level, and well, if you want to climb it, you basically go from the sea level to almost 4,000 meters. That's incredible. Yeah, again, that's fucked up. I really want to go up there. You know what's fascinating? See, there are a lot of these rocks here. It's actually lava rock. Many tourists are trying to take it home. Please don't, this is the national park. And as you can see, it's actually quite light. Cool. Wow. It's really light. Can you see I have such a long shadow? Honestly, kind of reminds me a little bit of Kyrgyzstan, the Skaska or the Konarchik canyons. Not as red, it kind of looks like Mars as well. Let's go up. Well, the air is a little bit thinner here than the sea level, but well, not as bad as at the summit, but still it shows. So I made friends with this older German guy, and now I have someone to take my pictures. And this is one of the things that I really like about traveling solo. I always meet interesting people. And I would have thought I could practice my German in Spain. Don't you feel like, I don't know, Grand Canyon? See, there is a lava fall. Like a waterfall, just cooler. So, apparently we have reached the top. It's insane, isn't it? So I was gonna drink this on the summit, but well, shit happens. Anyway, cheers. Yeah, as much as as I was disappointed in the beginning that we couldn't reach the summit. You know, this park is definitely a must if you're on Tenerife, so I suppose it's not so bad. And I actually like it here. It's just my expectations were, I guess, a lot higher. So I'm disappointed, but don't be. And guess what? We are at the top of the waterfall. I mean the lava fall. I'm getting drunk. It's just one small beer. Oh, almost 6%. Can you imagine how cool it looked when I was erupting? I was actually gonna go to La Palma to see the active volcano there, but well, fortunately for the people who live there, but unfortunately for me, it stopped erupting like 2 days ago. So I don't know. It's just I have a big fail here. So you can find two buildings here in the park. There's the chapel and the hotel. I'm not actually going to the hotel, but if you really need to go to the toilet, then well, that's your chance. Yeah, and that's basically it from this first video. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't exactly the best thing that you can do here. That would be up there. Sorry, I cannot let it go, but I think it was still beautiful, and I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next video, where we will explore Santa Cruz de Tenerife and the northern coasts of this island. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, check out my other social media, and see you in the future. Have a wonderful day.